Hello all. So let us see the respiration in other animals today. We have seen human respiration. Now let us see the respiration in other animals. So in the case of amoeba, which will be simple single cell structure like this, the respiration process will take place through the general body surface by the process of diffusion. Then in the case of fish, the type of respiration is called branchial respiration, which will take place through the gills. In the case of fish, water which is present outside will be rich in oxygen, and that water will be entering into its body through the mouth. We know that fish will open its mouth many times, nearly 150 times per minute it will open and close. So through which the water which contains more oxygen will enter the body, and the gills which are below the operculum, the gill lamellae, will quickly take in the oxygen and will release out the carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide will be added on to the water, and that water will be pushed out. So this is what is called branchial respiration, which we find in the case of the fish. Next, coming to the frog. In frog, it will be with the help of gills in the tadpole stage when it is in the form of a small baby, which is also called the branchial respiration. When it grows into adult, it can be through the skin. When it is present in water, you know, frog is amphibian, it lives in water as well as on land. So in water, when it is through skin, it is called cutaneous respiration. Okay, on land, it can be through the mouth, which is called the pharyngeal, buccopharyngeal respiration. It is called as the buccopharyngeal respiration. Then it can also be through the lungs on the land, okay, which is called the pulmonary respiration, like in the case of humans. So respiration through lungs is called pulmonary respiration. Then in the case of earthworm, the skin is richly supplied with blood vessels, which will help in exchange of gases and respiration, which is also called the cutaneous respiration. It is called the cutaneous respiration. And in the case of reptiles, aves and mammals, okay, including the crocodiles and whales, the type of respiration is again the pulmonary respiration, which will be taking place through the lungs. Crocodiles are reptiles, whales are mammals. So in all of them also, it will be through the lungs, called the pulmonary respiration, like in the case of humans. Okay, so these can be asked as 1 mark or 2 mark answers for your exam. So get prepared with it.